Oh, the joys of living in Wisconsin. Holy crap. Yeah, we haven't been hit this hard, and I'd say it's been at least 15 years where it's gotten so bad. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but yeah, we're without power, so I got Gen running. I tell you, boy, I got some friends and family right now. They're hurting bad. They got no heat, no nothing. They don't know what to do. I'm telling you, just being a little bit prepared for things makes a world of difference. I got my sister with this same setup too, and she's doing real well. I know you're gonna hardly ever use it, but boy, when you got it, it sure is nice to have. You gotta have a good generator. This has been running for, when did the power go out? Yesterday, last night at 3 a.m. the power went out. It's been off ever since. So yeah, I got a 30K gen here. What the heck is it? It'll put out 30 amps anyway. 30 amps is enough to run what you need. And if you watch it, that big heavy cord that runs out the door here. I got it sitting in the garage so snow doesn't get on it, but I left the garage door open just so the exhaust can get out. Works pretty well. Then the garage is on a separate circuit, so I leave the outside garage light on, the switch is on, so if the power comes back on, when that light comes on, then I know the power's back on, because the garage is on its own box. Anyway, we got the cord running. That runs over to, I'm not going to walk through the snow right now, but there's a generator. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, there's a generator power inlet box on the side of the house. So that runs into the house, and I'll show you the setup in there. And from there, I got, it's either 8 or 10 gauge wire. This is the main panel for the house here. Yeah, instead of transfer switches and stuff, that's just stupid. Get one of these Interlock kits. The advantage to this, and as far as I know, it's at least they're legal to use in Wisconsin. I don't know about other states and codes, but the advantage to that lockout kit is you shut the main off, and this breaker right here, it's on the right hand side, it should be labeled here. Yeah, generator hookup plug. And I did it myself. I guess if there was any flaws in the system, this is it. I didn't have a 30 amp breaker, so I used a 50, but here's my logic behind that. The generator has a 30 amp breaker, so I mean, if I'm going to overdraw, it'll just kick the breaker on the generator, so I figured I was okay with that. Anyway, the advantage to this system is you pretty much can switch on and off whatever you need, but you just got to keep in mind that you can only draw 30 amps. You can't turn everything on at once. You got to make sure you shut off. Obviously you're not going to run the microwave and the toaster and the hot water heater all at the same time, because you're going to overdraw. So, matter of fact, when I switch to generator, I turn off the big stuff, like the hot water heater I got off. Unfortunately, I got an electric stove for cooking, like I shut that off. All the big stuff, the big breakers I shut off. All these little breakers I leave on, that just, and I leave the well on, so I got water. And then, I don't know if you can still buy these or not, but I got a little amp meter where the generator plug comes in. I got a little amp meter so I can watch what I'm drawing. Like right now, I got one little small heater going on upstairs. That's drawing almost 1,000 watts. And I think this one's the TV right now. You can tell when you're drawing power, like when I get a drink of water or something, the well kicks in, it'll jump up to about halfway, and then it'll kick back down. And basically, you just kind of watch it, make sure that you're not getting up, you start getting up in here, then you're getting close to tripping the breaker on the generator. But overall, it works pretty good. It's a pretty nice setup. So, like I say, nowadays it's easier than ever, because now, lights are LEDs, so I mean, lights don't take hardly no power at all, and all that good jazz. So, and TVs, with the new flat screen TVs, them don't draw much power. And yeah, I mean, my phone and internet is working right now, so I'm surprised that's still up. They must have backup generators at the phone company. So, but yeah, well, it's going, for me at least, as bad as that storm was, it's going good for me. So, anyway, yeah, I strongly recommend getting one of them. That's if you're gonna have a backup power, go with that Interlock kit. That's the way to go. Works pretty darn good. Yeah, and then when the power does come back on, you just switch it back. So, yeah, that's all for now. Bye.